What is up, everyone? We actually have this door here that is broken, right? And this is the other side of it. As you can see, it's broken on this side. Now we can fix this by maybe putting some glue in and nailing this in. But we actually have this other piece here. This actually came from another demolition, so we actually have that piece. So let's swap this door out. So all we're gonna do is take these screws off of both pieces, and we will just swap the door out and not even touch the hardware. So take a Phillips head. Let's take these screws off. I highly suggest keeping these screws if you're doing anything similar to this, if you're gonna throw this out, because these screws come in handy in tight spots. So here we go. Just like that. 4 screws and it is gone. So that is it. And then we're gonna get to the other side here. Same thing. 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. We have the broken piece out. Alright, let's line the new one in. And with the holes here, we'll just try to fit this in here. Top and bottom. Try to do both together actually. There you go. Alright, it is in. And it's sitting well. Now we will take these screws, 4 screws at the same spot. Just gonna lightly put 2 in first to make sure it's locked in, and then we can put the other 2. And that's it. We are golden. Look at that. It is fitting in very nicely. There used to be hardwares here, but it fell out. But what I'll do is I'll take these hardwares off anyway, because this is pretty dirty. It's next to the stove, so it's pretty dirty. We will basically sand this out a little bit and refinish this. But so I'm not worried about the thing anymore right now. But look at this. It's working very nicely. And if it doesn't fit well, you can always tighten and loosen these things, these screws here, and adjust it that way. But it is good for us here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Peace.